June and his daughters for those music or those songs. Good evening, everybody. I told the congressman, by the way, today is the birthday of the brother of Admiral Toto Gomez. And I told my brother that I will not let him work tonight because today is his birthday. As to what birthday, you can ask Rico or Guada or RB, but don't ask me because I do not want to put myself in trouble. So I saw that most of us are already having their coffee, their dessert. So tonight is a gathering of friends and relatives. Friends and relatives as a result of Nicolas and Toledo marriage some 38 years ago, if I'm not mistaken. Tama ba? Tama. Anyway, so we have Nicolas and the Toledos and the friends as a result of this wedding so many years ago. So tonight is the birthday of somebody who is our acknowledged father at this time, because yes, dad passed away so many years ago. He is now our dad, and of course, he is celebrating his birthday today. So, gentlemen, ladies, friends, and relatives, may I present to you our birthday boy for tonight, the congressman of the 2nd District of Parañaque, Congressman Roy Coles. Otherwise, also known as, by the way, also known as the brother of Admiral Toto Gomez. Thank you very much. Maybe the best way to find out who is the brother of whom is we take a walk down Quiapo and see who is the more recognized person, and then after that we can decide who is the brother of whom. And then probably in the next Appropriations Committee meeting, we can also find out who is the brother of whom. Thank you, Toto, and thank you so much for palakpakan natin itong napaka-husay na band natin. Anong family ito? Makabuhay family. The father and the two daughters. Bisaya, taga sama mo? Masbate. Sa Placer?
Placer, Katayngan.
Placer, o mga Cebuano, mga taga Placer. Well, as Toto said, I am celebrating my birthday today. And as to my age, I'm a little bit older than Tony. So yun ang edad ko, kung anong edad ni Tony. And I'm so many years younger than Manong Tami here, and a few years older than the Admiral. So now you know what is my age. I'd like to thank everybody here. This is indeed a gathering of relatives and friends. Andito yung mga Goles family, Solis, and Digia. Andun, nakapaligid sila dito. Palakpakan natin sila. These are my relatives from Iloilo, from Romblon, from Mindoro, and from so many other places. Andun sila, nagkahalo-halo. Of course, andito yung mga Toledo and mga taga-Bohol naman. And we're very fortunate that we have an extra delegation coming from Bohol, no less than the former governor of Bohol. Dito si the former governor Rolly Butalit and his entourage. Meron pa rin sa entourage, iba talaga yung mga dating gobernador. Pag lumakad, may entourage pa rin. Siyempre, andito yung mga kapatid.
andyan si Admiral Toto Goles, andyan si Neneng Goles Simon, married to Attorney Dave Simon of Cotabato. At si Toto naman, married to Shirley Mamaril of Pangasinan. Andyan sila. Meron pa kami isang kapatid, kaya lang wala sa rito. He is already based in LA. He's a businessman in LA. Yung pinakamatanda namin passed away about 2-3 years ago. Kilala niyo sila. Kilala niyo si Nene. Andito yung mga anak. Of course, my eldest, dalawa lang sila. Si Rico and asan si Bel Aviñante, Rico Goles, Bel Aviñante, and children Yeye and Erica. Palakpakan natin sila. Yung mga magulang ni Bel, we invited the parents, but fortunately and unfortunately, yung tatay ni Bel, na si Dr. Jet Aviñante, ang birthday niya, exactly ngayon din. So he cannot be with us dahil he's celebrating his birthday somewhere in Alfonso, Cavite, where they're from. Meron pa tayong, andito naman si Guada and Mike Duque. Andito sila. At nandito yung nanay ni Mike, na si Melanie Duque. Ayan siya. Si Dick, we wanted Dick to be around. But again, fortunately and unfortunately, yung birthday ni Dick is January 14. Kaya makasunod lang. And I think he's celebrating his birthday somewhere else, no? Kaya wala sa rito. At siyempre, pag ganyan, maraming mga birthday celebration eh. Merong first day, second day, third day. It's a whole week affair. Tapos of course, siyempre yung pinakahuling paikilala ko gusto, of course, my one and only, andyan si Napi Toledo Goles. Na siyang nag-organize ito, thank you so much. At paikilala ko rin, ay mablay, ang anak ni Guada. Andito si Arby, si Mikey, and yung bagong hari ng pamilya. Andito si Robbie Duque. Robbie! Oh my God, why? Dati si Arby ang hari, ngayon, na-dislodge na siya. Ang bagong hari, si Robbie na. Hari ng lahat. So, this is my birthday. I'm so happy that